Now student, we are going to study double fertilization and triple fusion. Isn't it? Very important topic for definition as well as significance. What is the definition of double fertilization and triple fusion? Double fertilization means, student, in angiosperm, two male gametes are produced. One fuses with the egg cell to form zygote that develops into embryo, and second fuses with the polar nuclei to form endosperm. So let us see how it happens. Ready? This is a pollen tube. In this I am showing you a pollen tube entering through micropyle. So it is a porogamy. This pollen tube brings two male gametes in angiosperm like this. This is your pollen tube. One male gamete fuses with the egg cell male nuclei or male gamete or sperm fuses with egg cell to form what, student? Zygote that develop into embryo. This one fertilization, one fusion, and second male gamete fuses with secondary nuclei or polar nuclei to form what? To form endosperm. Polar nuclei, very important structure to form endosperm. This is called double fertilization. And what is triple fusion? Student, again, what is double fertilization? In angiosperm, two male gametes are produced. One fuses with the egg cell to form zygote that develops into embryo. Another one fuses with the polar nuclei to form endosperm. And then what is triple fusion? Triple fusion is the fusion of the second male gamete. This one, second male gamete with polar nuclei produces 3N, that is endosperm. That is why it is called triple fusion, because already polar nuclei is 2N and one male gamete. So fusion of the second male gamete with the polar nuclei to form 3N structure, that is endosperm, is called triple fusion. Isn't it? Is called triple fusion. Now in the same diagram I will tell you the significance of double fertilization. Significance of the double fertilization lies here, student. Means what is the importance? Significance of double fertilization is that the triple fusion leads to the formation of endosperm. So formation of the endosperm increases the viability of the seed. And the most important thing is that this endosperm, most significant thing, will nourish the developing embryo. It nourishes the developing embryo. That is the importance of double fertilization. The double fertilization leads to formation of or production of endosperm, and endosperm increases the viability of the seed and nourishes the developing embryo. Will nourish developing embryo. That is the significance of double fertilization. And ultimately, one more thing I can explain you in the same diagram. In the same diagram we can study one more question, that is entry of the pollen tube in the ovule or megasporangium. This is called megasporangium. So this kind is called, the kind which I have shown is called entry of the pollen tube in the ovule is called porogamy, because pollen tube enters through micropyle. Micropyle is the pore, so porogamy. It may enter through in between. It may enter through integuments in between, and such entry is called mesogamy. Pollen tube may enter through this chalaza gland also. Pollen tube may enter through this chalaza gland also, or chalaza, that is called chalazogamy. Isn't it? And student, this process double fertilization and triple fusion was discovered by Sir Namaste.